Hello, good day everyone! This vlog is entitled, Hi, it's me! Okay, I will proceed for the first question. The first question is, who am I? Diba po sa tingin nyo? My name is Lizelle Pauline M. Lagaras, 18 years old from San Andreas, Bukid. I'm currently a college student taking Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in English. And also, I'm the eldest child from my family. I like watching K-drama, I like horror movies, I like comedy movies. Yun yung mga movies na nag-enjoy ako, yun yung mga nagpapasaya sa akin. Tuwing gabi na napapanood ko sila. And I love taking pictures of myself. Kasi nga, para ayos akong tao. And the last thing that na kailangan yung malaman sa akin is, if I have my free time, I go outside with my cousin to get some coffee and taking pictures outside to beautiful place, to beautiful background. Yun yung mga lagi namin ginagawa pag lumalabas kami. And also, kumain. Yan lang. Thank you. The next question is, what do you love about yourself? The things that I do love about myself are taking care of myself, taking care of my hygiene, and taking care of my health, and being confident for everything. Ayan ang mga mahal ko sa aking sarili. And also, being independent woman and being friendly to anyone. Yung parang, ay, si ganito, sa tingin ko, magiging close mo siya. Ayun, nagugustuhan ko yung sarili ko na maging friendly sa mga taong sa tingin ko, magiging match siya ng vibes ko. And I love myself for being a good friend to those people around me and being respectful to them. Kasi kapag hindi ka naging good friend sa kanila, hindi rin sila magiging good friend sa'yo. Parang may sasabihin sila na kung ano-ano kapag nakatilikod ka na. And yung being respectful, kailangan mo silang respetuhin para respetuhin ka rin nila. Para mabumalik lang and hindi ka masaktan kapag hindi ka nila nare-respeto. The last thing that I do love about myself is always praying to God for my future, my family, and also myself. Kasi lagi akong maalis, ganyan, lagi pumapasok. So, lagi akong nag-pray kay God sa aking safety. Hi! This is the last question na aking gagawin. And the question is, your favorites. What's my favorites? Siyempre, ang favorites ko is makeup, as usual. Ay, as usual. Tapos, ang favorite ko pang isa is color pink. Kasi papakita ko sa inyo mga pink na gamit ko. Ito yung pink na gamit ko. Lagi ko siya dala sa school. Hindi ko na isa-isahin, but this is the color pink na lagi kong dala. Alcohol, powder, and cologne na color pink. And my salamin na color pink. Because I love pink na. And also my sleep and vitamins color pink din siya. And tumbler, umbrella, my pencil case, ano yung loob nito, color pink din. And last two, my umbrella and my grocery is color pink din. May bas-bas na to, guys. So, color pink talaga yung pinili ko. Kasi ang ganda ng color pink na grocery. At, syempre, makeup. Ito ang aking mga makeup. Yan. Ang aking mga makeup. ang mga dinadala ko lang sa school is this one, mascara from Dazzle Me. Lip balm, tinted lip balm. May kulay siya kasi gusto ko may kulay yung labi ko kahit hindi na mag-lipstick. And blush on for a color. And last one, my mascara. Ito yung lagi kong dala. Itong apat na to, hindi naman ako pala retouch. So, ito lang yung lagi kong lip sa school para hindi rin siya marami akong dala. So, ito yung mga favorites ko. Sobrang dami pang color pink. Pero ito lang yung mga ipapakita ko. Para nalaman nyo na I love pink and I love makeup. Yun lang. Thank you.
Thank you for listening, everyone. I hope you knew something from me. Bye!